All right, welcome back to the DuckHill workshop. My name is Ben, obviously. Of course you know that. And today we are making over my office. For those of you that don't know, my dad and I swapped offices. As you can kind of see behind me, his office was very red. We have a very Corvette theme going on. Let's see if we can focus back there. Yeah, my dad's a big Corvette fan. We have a pretty cool collection, and therefore the floors are black and white, checkerboard like a racing garage, and the walls are red, Corvette red. Everything is red. Red, 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 red. We got a little bit of painting to do here, and because I want to do a little bit of analog photography, I'm actually going to try and set this half of the room up as a small dark room. So I'm going to paint that half of the room black. Or well, like that third of the room black. That's what we're going to do right now. Alright, I think cutting in is done, and now I'm gonna roll the first coat. So it's definitely gonna take multiple coats. Ooh, the sound changes under here. But cool. Back to it. All right, let me show you this. Whoa. I think you can kind of see that. I hope you can. That it's second coat starting to dry. A couple spots were a little thick. Uh-oh, I hope I didn't get paint on my slippers. A little thick, but it's starting to dry. It's pretty smooth. It looks good. I'm happy. So I will have to clean up once this table moves back. For now, I'll be able to actually do that line to match the other side here. So I think I'm gonna bring it across just on the edge of that trim there. So we'll see that. I'm still debating if I'm gonna clean up and redo the red on this wall or if I'm gonna switch colors. Why don't you leave me a comment? Tell me what I should do. I don't know. I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to go eat dinner, and we'll see how it's looking when I come back. All right. Oh, look at that. A black wall. Another black wall. Some more black walls. Obviously some red. Some bookshelves. Woo. Whoa. All right, well, that's where we are for now. Hey guys, before you go, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for notifications when new videos come out, because we've got several big projects coming up in this office just to finish it out. We're building a workbench, we're doing an extra large leather blotter for my work desk, and we're going to be retrofitting the fluorescent lights in this room to LEDs from American Greenlight, which are going to be pretty freaking sweet. They're dimmable too. So we'll be talking about 2 ways to do those dimmers. Until next time.